YouTube, good morning.
Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Yep, Grace said like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm throwing stuff on my truck right now. I got me something new. I'm gonna show y'all, when I open it and everything. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all later. But I'm throwing stuff on my truck right now. Getting ready to roll out. Man, just typical. Hold on. Got it. Thank you. And go to the car. You don't got no shoes on. Wear your slippers.
Daddy, will you have, when you don't have socks, if you don't have socks on, and if you do have socks on, mosquitoes won't bite you.
They don't get you yet. That's the big mosquitoes not worried about you. Yeah, my daughter is, you gotta walk on the rock. See your feet on the rock. Go get your slippers real quick and come back. Hurry up. She's my COVID baby. She's attached to me. She don't like me leaving. But gotta do what I gotta do, right? But yeah, man, I'm working on trying to run up a meal, man. I thought I was done with this, but taxes think differently. Based off everything I'm trying to do, I gotta run a little harder. You feel me? I got some stuff set up, but I'm blessed. This tree right here got to come down for parking both of these, that one and that one. Yeah, we just doing what we do. It's a beautiful day out here. Beautiful Sunday. I cut the yard up. I gotta make sure before I leave, stuff is what it's supposed to be. Actually, I gotta go put some gas in that car. Put some gas in that car. And make sure everybody's straight. That way, they ain't gotta go to the gas station. Excuse me, they ain't gotta do nothing. They just stick to. That's what she wanna do. She loves to get in the truck, of course. Okay. Hold on real quick.
You got a microwave?
Yep, I got me a microwave and I got me a new pot too. Hold on 1 second.